Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're going to bring you the top 5 breakfast places in Myrtle Beach for 2024.
That's right. These are the 5 of the several places that we've been to this past year. So we decided to compile them and put them together in one convenient list.
Let's go. Check them out.
Coming in at number 5 is I Love InHop. That is the National House of Pancakes. This place is located on the corner of 3rd Avenue North and Highway 17, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. They are open for breakfast and lunch starting at 6 a.m. and specializing in delicious pancakes among other things. For adults, they have drinks like the Bloody Mary, rum and coke, and jumbo mimosas that are served in pineapples. They serve omelets, bacon waffles, French toasts, patty melts, burgers, and so much more. On our last video, some folks complained that they were a little pricey. And that may be true, but the food is really delicious. So for a slightly higher price, but great food, we have to put I Love National House of Pancakes Breakfast Restaurant at number 5 on our list. Coming in at number 4 is Crepe Creation Cafe. Their menu includes breakfast croissant meals, big egg breakfast, waffles, and of course, crepes. This French-inspired eatery is a family-owned and operated restaurant. It sits right in the heart of the Market Common in Myrtle Beach. All the dishes are made to order to ensure freshness. Right when you walk in, you can see Crepe Creation Cafe provides a delicious taste of Europe from the beautiful decor placed throughout the cafe. And you can watch your meals being prepared right in front of you. Their hours are Sunday through Thursday, 8 a.m. until 9 p.m. Friday and Saturday, 8 a.m. until 10 p.m. They are known as the premier martini bar in Myrtle Beach. Of course, breakfast is served daily from open until 12 noon. So we chose Crepe Creation Cafe for our number 4 spot on the countdown. Coming in at number 3 is the new Mimosas Southern Kitchen and Bar. Mimosas is a full-service restaurant and bar serving delicious chef-inspired breakfast and lunch. They are located right on Highway 17, 7430 North Kings Highway in Myrtle Beach. Open 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., they are a uniquely designed building with large natural outdoor spaces. Their menu consists of sweet temptations like creme brulee, French toast, skillets, handhelds, benedicts, and much more. Their hours, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m., 7 days a week. And being a full bar, They have everything under the sun when it comes to drinks. Mimosas is the first of its kind. And they are less than half a mile from the beach and walking distance from hotels in the area. With all these great aspects under one roof, we place Mimosas at number 3 on our list of breakfast places in Myrtle Beach. Coming in at number 2 is Lulus Cafe, right on Ocean Boulevard in Myrtle Beach. Just a few blocks north of the Skywheel. Lulus Cafe offers everything from egg plates, pancakes and waffles, to biscuits, baskets, and French toast. They've been in business since 2011 and have provided great food for locals and visitors alike. Lulus is a place to relax and enjoy quality time and delicious food. Just remember, if you come down during the off-season, Lulus Cafe is closed. They will be back open this spring. But I'll let you in on a little secret. The real reason this place is so popular is probably the rum milkshakes that are out of this world. And yes, they're only for adults. So whether you're sipping on a mimosa, eating a stack of pancakes, or having a healthy salad while at Lulus, you'll be treated like family. And that's also their motto. So we chose Lulus Cafe to come in at number 2 on our countdown list of breakfast places in Myrtle Beach. And coming in at number 1 is most people's favorite, Mams Kitchen. Mams is located at 1010 North Kings Highway in the heart of Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. They sit right on the corner of Mr. Joe White Avenue and Highway 17. Just a couple of blocks from the beautiful Atlantic Ocean. And they have been a staple in Myrtle Beach for years. They are only open for breakfast and lunch. They have everything from omelets and pancakes to waffles and burgers. But one thing that Mams offers is a full all-you-can-eat buffet with piping hot food all the way down and some cold items. But you can still order off the menu if you like. Their hours of operations are typically from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. daily. But like Lulus, they are also closed for the season, but are scheduled to open back up this February the 16th. So if you get down here anytime before then, you are out of luck. We've been coming to Mams for years. So we chose Mams Kitchen for our number 1 spot here on the countdown list of breakfast places in Myrtle Beach. Well, that was a look at 5 of our top pick breakfast places here in Myrtle Beach.
That's right. Hope you enjoyed this list. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Share this link if you can. And don't forget, the most important thing is to subscribe because it's free. All right. So as always, keep beaching. See you in the next video.